guys, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to automate your online business with free tools. Now, I'm very excited about this video because it combines two things that I love, things that are free, and simplifying your marketing strategy with automation. So today I'm going to be walking you through 4 free tools that I personally use to automate my marketing strategy and that you can use too. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through 4 free automation tools that I use. My first tool is Milanote. So I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Milanote is a free organization tool that I stumbled across that I am now in love with. It is so helpful. You can see on my screen I have all these little blocks, and this is all customizable. You can really easily create new blocks. These are all links to files in my Google Drive. And the reason that this is so important for automation is because you want to have a library of resources that will help you to create blog posts, social media posts, whatever your marketing strategy is, more easily. So the first step to automating your marketing strategy is to have a standardized process for doing things. You could also use something like Google Drive or share a Google Sheet with someone. The point is to standardize and document how you like your content to be posted so that you're not starting from scratch every single time. Okay, the next step to automating your schedule is to plan things out. So now you have your templates and you can plan out next steps or tasks that need to be done still with something like Asana. And this is a free tool that I recently just downloaded, but I have found this to be a super great tool for seeing, what hasn't been done and what still needs to be done and what is, in the process of being created. Next, after you have created your content or someone else has created it for you, you want to upload it into an automated scheduler like Hootsuite. So I recommend also batching content, which basically means creating a lot of content at once. So maybe spending a day making content for, the month or the next 2 weeks, whatever it is. That is a strategy that has taken so much weight off my shoulders as a marketing specialist. It is so stressful to have to create content that is due tomorrow or in a couple of days, and it's way easier and makes your life way more flexible if you can create it over, or if you can create it in one day and then put it out over a longer period of time. And this tool, you have, I think the free version, you can hook it up to 3 social media channels. So I have RH Marketing 101. This is my Twitter. I'm gonna come over here, grab maybe a blog post of mine so you can see what this will look like. So it'll show you what the blog post or the tweet is gonna look like, and then schedule it out here. And that's how you schedule a post. So you're automatically putting out content over a longer period of time without having to log into Twitter, log into Instagram right before, your scheduled posting time. In addition to creating content and automatically posting it, it's also really helpful to have Calendly on your website to really automate the inbound lead process. So you don't know what's going through the mind of all the people who are on your website. And if there's any chance or any opportunity at all that they are ready to meet with you now rather than later, Calendly is a great option, and I'm sure there are things similar, but the point is that Calendly allows you to choose a time right away and get on someone's schedule right away. Okay guys, so those are the free tools that I recommend for automating or just simplifying your marketing strategy. If you're interested in more marketing automation strategies or just ways to simplify your marketing strategy, please comment down below the specific piece of your marketing strategy that you're trying to simplify. Other than that, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.